Hi there, this is Mrs. Oback, and I wanted to show you today how you can create a holiday card in Seesaw. So as you can see, I'm logged into my Seesaw account, and I'm going to press the green Add button and choose the drawing tool. There are a few steps to creating a holiday card, and some of them the order isn't super important, so you could change some of these steps if you would like, but I'm going to start with my background color. So I will go to the three little dots, choose background, and pick a color that I would like, then tap back on the screen. Next, I'm going to write my greeting, and I'd like to use a pen for that. You could also choose to type it. So I'm going to pick a pen, pick a thickness that I think will work for me, and choose a color on the color slider. Then I'm just going to write my greeting. I'm choosing Happy Holidays. Next, I would like to add an image to my card, and there's some choices here too. So I am going to press the camera button. I could take a photo of myself if I had permission to do that. You could also upload a photo of something Christmassy. I like to source my photos from Pixabay, Pixabay, using the app or the website to get a copyright-free image. And that's what I'm going to choose for this one. So I am going to go to my Christmas pictures, choose something that I would like to use, and you might need to use the white dots to resize or to move it around. Next, I'm going to write my message. So I'm going to choose the T for a text box. And I'm going to go with the message, I wish you a peaceful and joyful holiday break with an exclamation mark. Then I'm going to move that, and I might also choose a color to coordinate with my printing. You can also use the three dots at the bottom and the style button to change what it looks like. And finally, I am going to take my pen out again and sign the card. When I'm done, I can press the green check mark to send it to my teacher. Teachers, this is a note for you. If you are reviewing student work in Seesaw and you want to save your student's holiday card as an image file, which is what you might want to do if you're participating in the Holly Jolly Holiday Connection and you want to share this on Padlet, you can just go down to the three dots at the bottom corner, choose Share or Save, and then save it to the camera roll. That way you have an image file to post in Padlet. Your other option would be to share it and copy the link to post in a Padlet note. That would also work.
Teachers, if you're wanting to save your students' holiday greetings from Seesaw and you are working on your desktop computer, the steps are really similar. You just go to the three little dots at the bottom corner in Seesaw and choose Save. From there, it'll be saved in your Downloads folder so that you can move over to Padlet and add it to the Padlet if you're taking part in our Holiday Connection. There's also a follow-up video that will show you how to do that post to Padlet.